I want to ask a simple question with a heavy answer. When does a society transform? Not how, not who, but when. The pattern across history is clear. Change arrives when the old way can't keep us fed, safe, sane. When quality of life breaks, pressure becomes progress. Picture nomadic bands crossing vast grasslands. Beautiful, yes. Reliable, no. As populations grew and climates shifted, the hunt grew thin and the gather gave out. That's the when. So people in places like the Fertile Crescent began planting what they once foraged. A seed becomes a field. A campfire becomes a village. Agriculture didn't appear because it was trendy. It arrived because hunger was. Fast forward. Fields were rich, but hands were limited. Cities swelled. Demand sprinted ahead of supply. That's the when again. Handlooms couldn't keep pace. Prices rose. Shelves emptied. Steam met fiber. Iron met motion. The factory was born. The Industrial Revolution wasn't a whim. It was a response to scarcity, instability, and time running out. Then industry hit its own wall. Paper trails tangled. Decisions slowed. Organizations ballooned into confusion. That's the when. We didn't digitize for fun. We digitized because complexity outgrew clipboards, computers, databases, the internet. Now, look around. Information is abundant, but attention is not. Data overflow, digital fatigue, unequal access, fragile privacy. That's the new when taking shape. The next transformation won't be more noise. It'll be wiser signal, technologies that are human-centered, ethical, and restorative. Post-information, a cognitive society, a saner one. Here's the rhythm I see: tension, then solution. Empty baskets become granaries. Crowded mills become mechanized lines. Chaotic ledgers become living networks. Each leap wasn't random. It was a repair. So if you're studying history, policy, or design, remember this compass. When the existing model can't sustain quality of life, transformation isn't optional. It's inevitable. Necessity is the author. Invention is just the pen. And today, the ink is fresh. The question isn't will we change? It's will we change in time? And toward what kind of life? If we listen to the pressure, we can write a better chapter. Every era begins the same way, with a look at what's breaking, and the courage to build what works.